Hello and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. Today I want to talk about traveling. I love to travel. I want to see all over the world. So first I book the ticket. Then I make a reservation at a nice hotel. I pack my suitcases and go to the airport. At the airport, I go to the check-in counter. I show my passport and the ticket. I ask, what time is my flight? And wait for my plane. I hope I can have the window seat. I don't like the aisle seat.